السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أبنائي وبناتي طلاب الصف الخامس، أقدم لكم فيما يلي مراجعة للوحدتين الأولى والثانية. نبدأ بمراجعة المفردات، الكلمات vocabulary. I was at the price. I was touristic, ancient, amazed, artistic. Of course, I was amazed. I was amazed at the price. This is the right answer, right? I was amazed at the price. Okay. 2. You should obey your parents. My mom bought a new washing machine. Students should respect their teachers. If I need any help, she is usually very cooperative. She is offered to cook me lunch. She is kindly offered. 7. Safa visited the temple and she saw old pots and bottles. 100 years ago, the ancient Greeks lived on Failaka Island. My dad works in a chemicals factory. 10. Al-Mubarakiya market is in the of Kuwait City, in the center of Kuwait City. You should hard to get high marks. You should study hard. In the past, they didn't have electricity, so they used paraffin lamp. We should be proud of our great heritage. Don't play with electricity. It's very dangerous. My aunt weaves a nice carpet. Nasser is studying medicine at Kuwait University. We like to visit when we travel, the touristic places. Kuwait incomes depends mainly on oil. She felt great pride when she received her award. Ali can't carry the books. Ali can't carry the books because it's too heavy